Now I use wrap text button to split text into multiple lines. If your worksheet cell has long text, you can split text into second line or more lines. Click cell H6. You can see this cell has long text and it does not fit to cell width. So click wrap text button. Now you can see the text in the cell H6 is visible and split into second line. Click align center button, align text to the center. Similarly, click cell I6, then click wrap text button. Click align center button, align text to the center. But remember, undo this cell. If text is fit to the cell width, then wrap text button will not work. It does not split the text into second line. Now, click column I heading. Move your pointer at right vertical border. Double click. Again activate cell I6. Click wrap text button. Now you can see wrap text button does not work. Undo cell again. Click again wrap text. Now it is working. So wrap text button will work only when text is not fit to cell width. In this way, you can wrap text into second or more